For a long time, large institutions like JP Morgan have been manipulating all crypto and Dogecoin holders for their benefit. But now, they've basically exposed themselves. So, let's take a look at what they did. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. According to a recent report, JP Morgan is finally offering crypto funds to its clients. If you don't know, JP Morgan is one of the biggest investment banking companies in the US. The bank has also been actively investing in digital currencies for some time. But now, its clients and the retail investors have the chance to invest in crypto too. This makes it the first major bank to provide such crypto trading access. But here's the catch. Earlier, the CEO of JP Morgan was always advising everybody against investing in cryptocurrencies. He even threatened to fire the company's employees who traded in Bitcoin. But now, JP Morgan is offering clients access to cryptocurrency funds. I think they have been doing this to manipulate the market. Earlier, they created fear by speaking against crypto, which led to the massive sell-off, while they kept buying the dip. And now they are allowing more and more investors back into the market to create a spike. They have been doing this for a long time now. Let's take a look at this. Recently, JP Morgan anticipated a continuing decline in the price of Bitcoin. The company's strategist, Nicholas, said that despite this week's correction, we are reluctant to abandon our negative outlook for Bitcoin and crypto markets more generally. Now, JP Morgan also said that big whales and institutional investors don't have any interest in buying Bitcoin anymore due to its downtrend. So, I hope you see where I'm going with this. It's pretty frustrating as a crypto holder to see them change their stance on crypto again and again, and it could become difficult to assess what's going to happen from here. This is why I think we should always take a look at the charts. First, let's take a look at where Dogecoin is standing today. Currently, it's trading at 18.8 cents. We saw a minor slump of 1.8%, but I think this was inevitable after the massive rise of 20% on Wednesday. Now, people are worried that Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies are going to fall even more from here, but I think they have already reached the bottom. Before I talk more about it, I'd like to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice, so you should definitely do your own research before investing anything into crypto. Now, coming back to it, I think we might be in the middle of a trend reversal. A recent report from Delphi Digital suggests that we have already had an aggressive reversal in the CME futures basis on Wednesday. This is basically a bullish sign for traders who got these futures contracts at a lower price. As we can see in this chart, the open interest for Bitcoin futures doubled from $1.25 billion on Monday to $2.5 only a day after that. Now, if we take a look at this chart, it shows that the exchange inflows have spiked only 3 times since 2017, and each of those corresponded with a bottom. And now, the exchange inflows have spiked for the 4th time. This suggests that we have finally approached another bottom. But still, I think we need to keep an eye on 3 important resistance levels. Basically, Bitcoin has 3 important resistance levels ahead that it needs to break soon. The first one is the $32,200 weekly level that it lost as support last week. The second is the $33,700 50-week moving average. And the third is the 2021 higher low of 34.8K. Now, coming back to market manipulation, the CIO of Guggenheim said something recently to scare crypto holders. Basically, he thinks that the investors won't start buying before the fall of this year. In a recent interview, he said that, "I think there's still more air to come out. The standard bear market for Bitcoin has been an 80% retracement, and given all the uncertainty and the new competition from new coins, I think there's more downside to go." Can you see a pattern here? And then there's another person who said something equally scary. The CEO of British fintech startup, Starling, said that she is worried about cryptocurrencies. If you don't know, Starling is one of Britain's best-known challenger banks. In a recent interview, she said that some digital currency exchanges are quite dangerous. Her statement came right after Binance was banned in the UK by financial regulators. She said that the industry as a whole must really be alert to the dangers of people using Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies to process fraudulent payments. While she isn't trying to manipulate the market, we still need to address this because this has created some fear amongst holders. And I think she's not presenting the complete picture. While Binance is coming out a little sketchy, the other crypto exchanges are not nearly as bad. There's Gemini Exchange, which has gained an incredible reputation. It even offers an interest rate for your crypto holdings, which I think is amazing. And there's obviously Coinbase, which is also as legitimate as any stock exchange out there. The point is that we need to be informed to not be influenced by half-baked statements like those. Now, let's come back to some really bullish news from the founder and chairman of Interactive Brokers. He revealed that he has some money invested in crypto. This is interesting because it's a major online trading platform. He said that, even I myself have put a little bit of money into crypto because even though chances are, I think that this is not going to be a viable market, I think that there's a small chance that this will be a dominant currency, so you have to play the odds. He also said that Interactive Brokers is planning to launch crypto trading because he has realized that customers are demanding crypto now. And now, let's take a look at this. An experienced credit trader and portfolio manager, Greg Foss, said that he's very bullish on Bitcoin. He also said that he believes that Bitcoin can achieve 5% of all the global reserve assets, which will be worth over $900 trillion. Now, let's talk about another crypto prediction by the chief executive and founder of the DeVere Group. He said that he is quite bullish about Bitcoin and he believes that it will hit its previous record highs by the end of the year. He thinks that the comments made by Musk, Dorsey, and Wood at the B-Word event have given investors enough confidence in the future of Bitcoin. Since they also talked about the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, it can really help in lifting the price of Bitcoin. He said that all of this will help drive Bitcoin prices higher, and this will have a knock-on effect to the wider crypto market. And another really bullish news came from the popular rapper Busta Rhymes. He announced on Twitter that he is now officially a Bitcoin holder. And then there's a whale who has recently bought over 17,000 Bitcoins. It says here that he had sold his holdings when it was priced around $60,000. So, as I've been saying, more and more celebrities are entering into the crypto market. And even the whales are making a huge comeback after the dip. And this is why I'm optimistic about where we're headed from here. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.